Today we'll introduce you the newest version of our Microneedling RF machine, which has 3 handles. 3-in-1 Microneedling RF machine. The first handle you can see, it's gold radio frequency microneedling, and the second one is acne removal. It will combine with this handpiece together. Okay, the third one is cooling hammer for anti-inflammation. Okay, the gold radio frequency microneedling handle, it can stimulate collagen regeneration, repair of the acne pits, stretch marks, scars removal for different skin types, and the acne RF removal by insulative needles. The sebaceous glands are destroyed by directly attacking the root cause. Quick removal of the blackheads cerebral. And cold hammer, release ice power and calm, quickly repairing shrinkage pore of damaged skin. Okay, now we'll introduce you the details of the machine and how to use it. Okay, you can see when you start the machine, you can see there are 3 different indicators. A means this handpiece. For A indicate to the RF microneedling handpiece, and I for acne, and R for cold hammer. Okay, we start from A. You can see there are manual mode and auto mode. Manual mode, which means there is a start button. When you want to start the treatment, you will need to press this button for working. You can see this is manual mode. You will need to press this button. Start working. For auto mode. For auto mode means as our microneedling RF machine with pressure suction, vacuum suction, so you will need to press all the, okay, I will show you. You will need to make sure the skin is sucked by the whole treatment. For example, you can see it has voice working now, but the needles haven't been pressed. Okay, if I press my skin to the treatment handpiece, all sucked, all touched, you can see it's working. So this is a vacuum. After you make sure all the skin is being pressed, closely touch the skin, the vacuum will working, and then the button, you don't need to press the button, it will automatically working for treatment. This one is for vacuum pressure. Okay, now we introduce you the whole interface parameters. F for face, you can choose different body parts, different treatment area on your face or neck. B means body, you can treat for the body parts. For face treatment, you can see the time is from 1 minute to 99 minutes, and depth from 0.2 millimeters to 2 for the face area, 脸颊 cheek For the face cheeks, the depth is from 0.2 millimeter to 2 millimeters. Normally, you can start from 0.8 to or 1 millimeters for the treatment. For treatment start, for testing, and for the other, for eyes around foreheads, upper lip, or the other body parts, the depth is from 0.2 millimeters to 1.2 millimeters. So our parameters are default setting according to the different skin depths for different treatment areas, so you can easily to choose and adjust the best parameters. And we will also send you the clinical parameters for reference. Okay, time, depth, and speed. Speed means the treatment time, the needles leaves, how much time it leaves in the skin and into the skin. Normally, it can use 0.3 or 0.4 seconds. Suction means vacuum suction. You can choose no suction, 1 level, or level 2. RF power, radio frequency power, is from 0 to 200 watts. You can start from 80 or 100 watts. Start working. This time means how many times, how many shots you have been used this time. For body parts, same time, 1 to 99 minutes. Depth, depth still same 0.2 millimeters to 3.5 millimeters. And speed, also suggest you use 0.4 seconds. Suction level from level 1, level 2. RF power, same as the face, 10 to 200 watts. And for different treatment, we will equip you the different needles. You can see we will standard equip you 8 different tips, needles. You can see this one is all sealed, packaged, and this is 10 pins. 10 pins you can use for here for the precise area or the small area treatment, or eyes around wrinkles removal. And for this one is just one is 10 pins, and this one is 25 pins. 25 pins. You can use for face treatment, while 64 pins you can use for body treatment because it's with larger treatment area, or you can use also for the larger treatment area. And this is nano needles, which only have RF, radio frequency energy, but no needles penetrates in the skin. The needles with pins, 10 pins, 25 pins, and 46 pins are all disposable. You can only use for one client each time, and you will need to use a new one for another client if any customers come into treatment. And this one, because it won't make any bleeding, so this is it's not disposable. You can reuse it. But if there's any damage on the superficial, you will need to change a new one as well. Okay, we will also equip you. This is for the RF microneedling handpiece, and we also equip you the needles for acne removal handpiece. You will need to loosen this one and put a new tips needles to this place and cover it. You can see for this treatment handpiece for needles, you can see it's not only a thick needle, but also a small needle tips here. You can see. So when you do the treatment for acne removal, you will press this needle to the skin for the acne treatment area, like this one, and then press this foot button. Also, you will need to, if you do treatment for acne removal, you will need to ask client to hold this handpiece. This is combined use with acne removal handle, or you can put this pads to the treatment client back or belly to you. And anyway, you will need to ask the client hold this button, then use this one for treatment. This is a negative pressure, and press this, put this to penetrate into the acne area and press foot button. Then the energy will penetrate into the acne follicle, acne for treatment. You can see it's also disposable. Only you can use for one client because it will get bleeding or it's a little invasive. So you can only use for one client in case make any inflammation. Okay, you can see for the acne removal handpiece treatment interface, same time, and this is how many shots you use. You can don't adjust these parameters, and speed also suggest you 0.4 seconds, and energy you can use from its range is from 10 to 200 watts, same, and you can use from 80 or 100 for start testing and treatment. Okay, this is a cold hammer. Cold hammer means it will help you after you do the treatment. You can use a medical mask to apply on the face, for example, and then use this button and use this handpiece. Start. You can also adjust to the cooling level, cooling temperature level. You can see. Okay, start. Around 10 seconds, the cooling hammer will release the ice filling. So you can put it on the treatment area, or you can use a medical mask first on the skin and then do the treatment for test for anti-inflammation or release the inflammation or reduce the uncomfortable feelings for the client. Also can reduce the red reactions. Okay, it's the main introduced for the Microneedling RF machine with 3 handles. Normally, for microneedling treatment, it usually treat for 1 to 3 sessions, according to the client's different treatment applications and also their recovery times. And normally you can do one time per month, or 3 months, 2 months, 3 sessions. And please, after you do the microneedling RF treatment, please do not eat any spicy food. Don't drink alcohol, and eat some healthy food, and also you will need to do sun protection. Okay, if you have any questions about this machine for wrinkles removal, acne scars, treatment, stretch marks, and thin spots, age spots, or pigmentations, this is the main treatment. Or if you have any questions or any suggestions of our machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.